Hello students, this is Miss Denise Rodriguez and this is the guide that corresponds to this cycle. The teaching is number 3, the science of fonts, and the goals are to identify actions that use force, to learn how to make double comparative sentences, and to use the relative pronoun which in a relative clause. I want you to look at this picture. What's the girl doing? Yeah, she's bouncing a ball high, right? Well, every action has an effect. Therefore, if you throw a ball hard, it bounces high, but if you throw the ball soft, it bounces low. So as you can see, we need the science of movement in all the activities we do for fun every day. How athletes move? We use force to move. Force happens when we push or pull. Do you push or pull when you move for a swing? You do both. For skaters to move, for example, they push on the ice. A push can move a skater forward. It can also move a skater backward, just like in the picture. This is backward, this is forward, and that is a skater. Skater pull too. The more one skater pulls, the more it spins. The skaters don't fall over because they know how to balance. How do skaters stop? They use force. Skaters push down hard on their skates. The skates connect with the ice and skates rub together. When two things rub together, it is called friction. This is the vocabulary: backward, balance, force, forward, friction, pull, push, and rub. We will read it in the class. The double comparative. A double comparative compares two actions and can be used to show cause and effect. Many double comparative sentences use the following structure. For example, the more difficult the problem, the more creativity you need. Or, the easier the problem, the less time you need to solve it. Let's see more examples. The more one skater pulls, the more the other one spins. Or, the more difficult the jump, the more practice you need. As you can see, we use sentences in the simple present. Don't forget about the rules for the third singular person. He, she, or it. In this case, you have to add s or es to the verb. If the verb ends in o, x, sh, ch, or sx, don't forget that you have to add es. For example, she goes to the gym. The more she looks good, the more she goes to the gym. He wins. The more he practices judo, the more he wins. Okay, I want you to do more exercises so you can go to pages 146 and 147 on the student's book for more practicing. The relative pronoun which. We use which when we want to make relative clauses and we want to talk about things. For example, the force which pulls you toward the center of the earth is called gravity. Another one, skates are special shoes which you wear when you go out skating. These are some pictures related to the topic, and this is the exercise. Yeah, this is an evaluative activity, so I want you to work in pages 106 to 109 on the workbook and 146 to 148 on the student's book. Please take a picture of this and send them through my Genosoft email. Okay, students? Be safe. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for being here. God bless you.